this is my new routine. Started 6 days late. Nonetheless, it's my new routine. And I'm in the flesh because I figured if I update you guys, I will stay on my grind, right? I used to do it with Facebook back when I was really grinding with this app, but now I'm on YouTube. So the app that I have been doing is called Lose Weight in 30 Days. And I'm gonna show you what it looks like. I've been updating you on my community tab, so you guys know what I'm doing if you wanted to follow along. But this is what it looks like. That's what the app looks like right there. Okay, so I haven't done this yet, and I probably should have like 6 days ago because I feel stronger already. But my goal areas is my belly here, which is going to be hard because I had big babies, so, and I got split here and split here. Some of you guys know that already. But we're gonna take measurements, and I'm taking measurements because most of the time I lose them, but I'll be able to come back to this video and like see the progress, and then later on I could like post before and after. So this is day 6 of the workout. So I guess I'll start with my hips. And you go from your fingertips, from your hip bone to your fingertips. So
that is 42. My hips are 41 and a half above your belly button. So 42, 34, and then my bust, which I think is this, right? I think we go right underneath your armpits. And my bust is 37. So I do have a nice curve out here, 42, 34, 37, I guess. But to me, I don't really see it. The arms, because this workout does the arms. And then I'm going to show you, alright, so my arms are 12 and a half, and my legs, I haven't done this in a long time. My legs my thighs are 24, and my calves are about 14. So I think that's about it. I don't know, I guess I could do my neck, right? My neck is 12 and a half.
So those are my measurements. I am 5'3", and I don't really know how much I weigh, but because I haven't worked out, I'm gonna say I weigh between 160 and 170. I like fluctuate. I don't know, maybe I could be less. I don't really know. Last time I went on the scale, I was like 164. But last year was a bad year, and I didn't do much at all. And I started this and I didn't keep with it. The year before, I did really good and I felt strong. I looked like I lost, and that was just in a month. So we're gonna see. I have 25 more days left. If you guys want to do it along with me, this is how it is. I had a lot of people asking me, did you lose weight? Was it worth it? And I did. I mean, I don't know if I lost weight, but I definitely lost inches. I went down a size, I remember. So, and actually my boobs are a size 36, I guess between 36 and 38, because I measure my bust. I wear like a 36C, sometimes D, depending on the bra. So yeah, I guess if you want, I'll keep you guys updated, and I'll check back with you guys probably in a week, maybe 2 weeks. I don't really know. Comment below if you have tried this app, or you're thinking about trying this app, and the reason you're here is to get reviews on it. My honest review is that I love the app. I love it. It builds you up gradually. So you start off low and then it builds you up gradually. So with that being said, I have to hurry up and get into this because I got things to do, which is also a good reason why this app is thebomb.com, because it doesn't take long. So, alright. So we're gonna start the app. This is how it starts. I'm on day 6. So this is the first thing we're gonna do, the second thing, the third thing, the fourth thing, fifth, sixth. So there's 6 things that we're doing, and we are planking for 40 seconds this time. So let's go ahead and press this. We're gonna start.
Ready to go.
Bicycle crunches.
Standing bicycle crunches. Each side. 13. 3. 2. 1. Start. Take a rest. The next, you should do it on a mat.
This time we gotta do it on the floor. So let me go get a rug. Side leg lifts. Side leg lifts.
20. 3. 2. 1. Start. 1. Don't rotate your leg forward or backward.
Butt. Okay.
Take a rest.
Flutter kicks. This is gonna get that bottom part of my stomach, and girl, that jump is whew. And
Flutter kicks.
I put my hands under my butt. 20 seconds.
2. 1.
Go.
I'm going to want to give up. I was doing it at 36 seconds, now I'm doing it at 40. Let's see how much better I got.
And now I stretch because my butt hurts. You can pay for the whole prescription for the year, but I usually just do it for a month and then I switch to something else because it just gets me into the routine of doing something every single morning, starting that routine and like sticking with it to the point where after you do it for a whole month, when you don't do something, your body is like, hey, wait a second, something's missing. I need to do my exercise. So,
Congratulations.
and so it gives you like little, you know. So the duration was not even 7 minutes. So, but total calories was 77.1. I'm not really worried about my calories. I'm more worried about the inches and the flabbiness. Like, I do have muscle, but I do have fat. So, and my problem is right here. Right there. I hate that. I hate that. That bigness on my arm. I just hate it. This is all fat. It needs to go. So, if you want to be a part of this journey with me and you want to do what I'm doing, go ahead and download the app. I am not sponsored. This is actually something that I do. And if you don't believe me, go back into my vlogs and you will see the effects of what I was doing. So with that being said, I got things to do, but I feel great. Happy Friday, bitches. And stay tuned because 2020 is a whole new freaking year. And despite everything that we may go through the year, we're gonna get our body right. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna get the body right. When the body is right, actually, getting the body right gets the brain right, right? Right. So if the brain is right, the body's right. Right? Right. That's what I meant to say. Alright. Until the next video, I gotta go so I can come back, upload this video for you guys, and I'm gonna catch you on the flip side.